In this short, I'll show you how to troubleshoot sound issues during a Zoom meeting. If you are using a laptop or desktop computer, first make sure that the speakers are turned on for your device. Look for the megaphone symbol on your computer. When I adjust the volume, it will make a sound. However, in this case, because the computer speaker is muted, there is no sound. To unmute, just click on the megaphone symbol. Once you're in the meeting, look for the microphone on the bottom left. If it has a red slash, you are muted, and simply click the microphone to unmute yourself. You can test the sound by clicking the caret symbol next to the microphone, and then select Test Speaker and Microphone. Make sure you choose Same as System for both the microphone and the speaker. Hold down the space bar to temporarily unmute yourself. Finally, remember to keep yourself muted while others are speaking to prevent distractions.